Hi, it's day one of week five of my Becoming R series, and guess what? We are finally in the practical aspects. Sorry, exercise one. Exercise one. So, we are finally doing exercises. Yes, I said they were the practical aspect last week, but we're just getting into like coding. I've not been given an actual task, but like I'm getting my first exercise. I can't believe I'm excited about toggling onboard LED at the moment. I literally built an entire smart power management system using Arduino IDE, but like I'm excited about blinking an LED because of bare metal programming. Going from pro to newbie is hard. Like, I was not pro in Arduino either. Let's keep that secret. Anyways, I am into this. The fact that I have exams next week and I am doing everything that is not related to school exams. I don't know anything. Like I've not studied for exams at all, but we'll definitely make a comeback soon. I'm just too excited to stop this embedded systems at the moment. I'm sorry, school will have to like calm down. We'll survive, we'll survive. Okay, so join me as I write the code for my first exercise. It's blinking. It's blinking. It's blinking, guys. Oh my god. It's blinking. I can't believe it. My first blinking LED using STM32. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have just 2 weeks to save my CGPA. So study all night with me because the processes of becoming R is guaranteeing me the best result possible. I have 7 courses to cover this semester and I have covered less than 30% of every single one. And I really hate not knowing the answers to the questions during my exam. So I have to study for the exam. This week was a roller coaster. A lot happened from blinking my first early days in bare metal programming, which was very fun and exciting, to my exam timetable getting released. Turns out I'm having exams in 2 weeks and I am not ready at all. So I am in trouble. And also to having a lot of classes. I had a lot of classes this week to not cover up for a lot of things. And it was really stressful. It took a lot of my time and didn't let me do a lot of things. But of course, I didn't give up. I continued my plans and I am going to achieve it. I'm still 5 weeks strong. So that is all about my week, and see you guys next week for another episode of Becoming R.